Good afternoon, 11th graders. This is a tutorial to show you how to work in your collaborative book in bookcreator.com. So, first of all, what I need you to do is to go to your Google Classroom and then look for your draft of memoirs from Forum for the Future. So over there you are going to see the corrections that I made, so you make sure you correct all the mistakes, that you use correctly the report to the speech. And when it is all corrected, you can go to Book Creator, app.bookcreator.com, and you click with, you inicio de sesión del alumno, and then you can click on iniciar sesión con Google. Most of you have already signed in, so you just need to log in this time. So once you're there, the page is going to ask you for a code, which I'm going to tell you as soon as I register. So, okay, here we are in the book, but for you, it's going to be like this. It's going to ask you to join a library. So you click on the, click on the space and add the correct code, which is 6XRG2WZ. Okay, so you click on Unirse a la biblioteca. It's going to take a while, and then what you're going to see is a single book, only a book about Forum for the Future, and each one of you has a page on it. So you click on the pencil, and you're going to be able to go to the next page, and you're going to see your names. Alberto Acosta, Camila Miller Charico, Miguel Barrios, Joseph Verdugo, and all of you are in there, okay? So you select your page, and what you're going to do is to add the text, you know, all the information from your draft, correct it. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can change the background as well here. You can add other backgrounds, and also the idea is to use other media. For example, you can add some images, you can also add videos if you want to record a part of the forum that you prefer or that you like the most, or you can add a picture of one of the people who were invited to our forums or fora. And then to get those pictures, you can go to our Facebook group, and as you can see, well, not here because it's not charging, you can see that we have the records, the videos of the forums. So what you can do is to take screenshots or record short videos of your screen to share in the books. You can also add images of, you know, like pictures or something related to your career or related to the forum itself. Well, so let me show you here. Well, once you have finished your page, we are going to have a collective book, which is published, okay? So what you need to do is to click on copiar el enlace público para compartir en el portapapeles, and then this is very important. You need to open another tab. Okay, let's say here, I'm going to open another tab. And you're going to see the book, the published book. But we need to publish this common book in our portfolio, in Weebly, in our own portfolio, each one of you. So here you're going to find the share icon, and then you click on integrar en su página web. So you can see the embedded code sign. And then you have to select all this information or just copiar en el portapapeles. Then you go to Weebly and make sure you are in academic fields. We are not working in This Is Me anymore. We are working on the academic fields website. So I have already published my book, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you need to do is to drag the embedded code icon, as we have done with the other products that we have published in This Is Me. So you click on here to set your HTML code, and remember that what you need to do is just to paste it. And here we go. We have the first Form for the Future book. We have only one book for everybody, so you are going to have your memories or your memoirs, and also you're going to have your partner's memoirs. Remember to publish it, because if you don't publish, nobody else will be able to see it. And then I'm going to refresh this website, so you're going to check, you're going to see that it is already published, right, in the academic field page. And then remember that that's the way people are going to see your work. Okay, this assignment is due on September the 25th, and we, your teachers, are going to grade it in your portfolio in Weebly. Okay, and also remember that if you haven't sent your draft, los que no han enviado sus borradores a la fecha que era una actividad de la semana anterior, tienen solo hasta esta semana para enviarlos. No lo puedo valer con una nota plena de 25 sobre 25, pero se lo puedo calificar, se lo puedo corregir para que este producto final quede pues correcto y pues no baje su nota final de este segundo módulo. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, or you can also text me in Google Classroom. Have a good afternoon.